In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox error code 262 problem sending data. So the first thing we should do is to clear cache files in our browser and also in our PC. To start clearing cache on your browser, you just have to go to the three dots and then go to privacy and security. Now you have to scroll down and click this third party cookies. Okay, you have to tap this one and then you have to scroll down and look for see all site data, and then you just have to search Roblox here and then press enter, and then you just have to tap this trash icon here. Now click clear, and that's how you clear cache on your browser. Now let's go to clearing cache on your PC. Okay, so go to the search bar and then type run. Now type person symbol, app data, person symbol. Okay, and then after that, you just have to click OK. And then here you just have to go to temp and then go to Roblox or find the Roblox folder. Tap this one and then click delete. Okay, as you can see, it is already deleted. Now, after clearing cache on PC and browser, now we have to change the settings of your Roblox. Go to Roblox, right click, go to properties, and then click compatibility. Now tap this run this program as administrator, tap apply, and then click OK. So after doing this solution one or method one, you just have to restart your computer and then open your Roblox again and see if this method worked. Now, the second thing is that, or the second solution is to go to your control panel and then go to programs. Now look for uninstall a program and then search for Roblox. Right click and then tap uninstall. Now wait as it is uninstalling. Once you have uninstalled Roblox, you have to go to your web browser or Microsoft Store and install Roblox again. So for web browser, you just have to go to Roblox or open your Roblox account and select any game and then tap download and install, and you can see here it is now downloading. Open the folder and then you just have to right click and then click run as administrator and wait as it is processing. So you will see that Roblox is starting to configure and then install, and then after that you can now play your Roblox once it is successfully installed. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.